Hey guys, having a little look at Slayer, Rain in Blood, just the intro part. Let's have a go. So we're going to start with a big fat chug 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 on the E string 3 times. Then we're going to go first finger on the 7 on the A string, up to the D string, 8, 9, 8, with your second and third finger. And then now third finger is going to drop back down to the A string, and you're going to go 9, and then 8, 7 on the D. And then with your second finger back down to the A string onto the 8, and then back up to the D, 7, 6. All right, bit of a twisty one.